In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit customize theme profile page. By the end, you'll know how to adjust your basic info, set a standout avatar, choose a profile background from the points shop, and pick a theme and mini profile look that ties everything together. Start by opening the Steam app on your PC and make sure you're signed in. At the top right, click your username. From the menu, choose View My Profile, then click Edit Profile. This is your main hub for changes. Begin with the basics. Update your profile name to the display name you want friends and other players to see. If you'd like a cleaner link to your page, set a custom URL that's easy to share and remember. In the bio, write a short, friendly description of yourself, the games you're into, or any info you want to show at a glance. While you're here, check your privacy settings. Decide who can view your profile, game details, friends list, and inventory. If you prefer a low-key profile, set things to friends only or private. If you want to showcase achievements and playtime, keep it public. When you're done with each section, make sure to save your changes so nothing gets lost. Next, let's set your avatar and background. For the avatar, you can upload a custom image from your computer or choose from options provided in Steam. A clear, square image looks best and is easiest to recognize across the platform. For your profile background, head to the Points shop by going to Store, then Points shop. Browse static or animated backgrounds and pick one that matches your style. After you acquire a background, equip it from your profile customization page. For the cleanest look, set the background to original size so it displays as intended. If you like a subtle, transparent effect behind your profile panels, backgrounds from Dying Light 2 are popular for that glass-like look. Animated backgrounds can be eye-catching, but if your system is older, a static option might feel smoother. Now choose a theme to tie it all together. Under Theme, pick a color set like summer or midnight to complement your background and avatar. Finally, set your mini profile background. This is the small card people see in chats and your friends list, so choose something that reads well at a smaller size and pairs nicely with your main profile. Preview your changes, make any tweaks, and save. That's it. Thanks for watching.